If Silent Hill F feels like it's reacting a split second late, you're not imagining it. Today we'll remove input delay at the system level so you get instant response without opening the game. Follow along exactly, pause when needed, and test after each section. First, get rid of power saving. Go to Settings, System Power and Battery, and switch power mode to best performance period next. Make sure your monitor is truly at 120, 144, or 240 Hz. If it's stuck at 60, your inputs will always feel sluggish. Turn game mode on. Then enable hardware-accelerated GPU scheduling and variable refresh rate. These reduce queuing and smooth frame delivery, lowering latency. Background video capture, game bar, and extra overlays add delay. Turn off Record What Happened. Disable unused overlays like Discord or GeForce Share while playing. On NVIDIA, go to Manage 3D Settings. Set Low Latency Mode to Ultra. Cap your max frame rate to below your monitor refresh to avoid render queue buildup. Use Prefer Maximum Performance, VSync off, and keep a low background FPS cap like 20 to stop idle apps stealing frames. On AMD, enable Radeon Anti-Lag or Anti-Lag 2 if available. Turn VSync off, set texture filtering to performance, and disable chill while we test latency. If your driver offers a frame cap, set it to refresh -2. Steam's controller translation layer can add delay. If you're on a standard Xbox pad, you often don't need Steam remapping. In general controller settings, disable configs you don't use. Keep it minimal. Per game, you can disable Steam input so the controller talks to the game directly with less translation. You can show this on any installed game as a visual demo. Windows can put USB devices to sleep. In Device Manager, uncheck Allow the computer to turn off this device for your controller and USB root hubs. This prevents wake lag. Use wired if possible. Bluetooth adds latency and interference, especially in apartments. If you must use wireless, use the controller's 2.4 GHz dongle instead of Bluetooth. For mouse users, disable Enhance Pointer Precision, its acceleration. Consistency matters for aim and reaction. Some titles feel snappier with full-screen optimizations disabled and DPI scaling overridden to application. You can demonstrate this on any.exe to show the exact clicks. Highest FPS isn't always lowest latency. It's stable frame pacing with no queue. Rule of thumb, cap at refresh -2 or 3, keep VSync off, and keep low latency on. On NVIDIA, set the cap in the control panel. Advanced users can use RTSS for extremely precise caps. Set it to refresh -2. This reduces render ahead, improving input feel. If you're playing online, Ethernet beats Wi-Fi. In your router, give your PC high priority with QoS. Close cloud backup apps. Network spikes can feel like input lag. Do a clean boot test. Hide Microsoft services, disable the rest, and disable heavy startup apps. If latency improves, re-enable only what you need. If your GPU is downclocking mid-game, it adds stutter and delay. Keep temps under control, keep power mode on performance, and ensure the card isn't hitting power limits. Inside the game later, set Reflex on plus Boost if you're on NVIDIA, Anti-Lag on AMD, VSync off, Motion Blur off, Frame Generation only if you can keep your input path low. Keep your in-game FPS cap equal to your global cap. Measure feel. Try any browser reaction time test before and after these steps. You should see tighter numbers, and more importantly, it will feel instant. If nothing changes, try toggling HAGs off and retesting. Some setups prefer it off. If you're on multi-monitor, test with just your main display. And if you use capture cards or cloning, test with them disconnected. That's how you eliminate input lag for Silent Hill F at the system level. No mods, no risky tweaks, just the right settings. Drop your results below, and I'll help you dial it in even further.